Hi, my name is Mark Tachna and welcome back to the channel, Cooking with the Tachnas. I gotta tell you, one of my favorite things, and I think I said this with the pumpkin soup, was I love soup. And I'm going to make today turkey noodle soup with vegetables. And I'm using turkey stock that I got at Thanksgiving. What I did during Thanksgiving was, after we got done with the turkey and it was so delicious, I took all the bones and I boiled the bones and I added extra celery and some carrots and vegetables, and I boiled it down and I strained it all and I kept the broth. The broth is right here. Now remember, this channel is also for vegetarians as well, because my daughter and my wife are vegetarians. So I have to make two of everything. So on the left, your right, I have some vegetable broth. And I'm going to make it up so we have a delicious soup for dinner tonight. I already have everything prepared to make it as easy as possible. So I chopped up some onions. That's gonna go in. That was a half of an onion. Here's the other half an onion. I have baby carrots in this and celery. The baby carrots are equivalent to 2 large carrots. And then I have 2 regular celery stalks. That's going in. I coined the carrots. If you don't know how to coin, it just means it looks like a coin. I already prepped some egg noodles, and that's going in. They're boiled and everything. But I'm going to wait on this until this cooks down for 20-30 minutes. Turkey, if you freeze turkey for too long, it gets rubbery and nasty. So I went to the deli today and I said, hey, just give me 2 pounds of turkey. And the lady said, what kind of turkey? We have roast turkey. And I said, perfect. And I got roast turkey and I chopped it up and it's really delicious. And that's gonna go in to mine. Now, we're just gonna put it on the stove and I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, the timer just went off, so I'm going to bring the soup over and we're gonna put the noodles in and give it a shot. See how it tastes. This is the vegetarian. Here's the non-vegetarian. Okay, it looks good. So first we're gonna add the noodles. Those noodles will heat up really quick. This smells really good. It smells just like my mother-in-law's turkey. Just amazing. She's a wonderful cook. I don't think it really needs anything. It's absolutely perfect. It just tastes just like Thanksgiving. It brings back everything and all the memories and all the good times we had that day. So I have not put really anything in this. This is just strictly vegetable broth, vegetables, and noodles. And really what it smells like so far, it's like making matzo ball soup. Just such a mild, pleasant taste. And then you can always add salt and pepper or anything you want to it. Remember, this is about keeping it simple and keeping it basic. And then you can add as you go if you want. It smells really good. It's just so mild. I spilled it all over my hand, but that's okay. It's exactly how I described what I thought it was going to be. It is just, it's mild, but it has such a nice vegetable flavor to it. You can always add salt, pepper, parsley, whatever you want, but remember, this is a basics for a cooking show, so I'm just giving you the beginnings of what you can do to add on. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Have a wonderful day.